So good morning, Shwengi. Thank you so much for joining us today to talk about international collaboration. Perhaps we could start by a quick introduction. If you could briefly introduce yourself and maybe just describe a little bit about your research as well.
Okay, good morning. I'm Dr. Sheng Yan, Associate Professor in the Smart Lab at the University of Bristol. So my research focuses mainly on AI machine learning driven network automation and optimization. I'm looking specific for optical networks and radio access networks. And I look into special technology regarding, for example, fast optical switching and network sensing and AI related topic. So my particular interest is to build a scalable, resilient, and intelligent communication infrastructure for our future, for 6G and beyond. So that's my research. Nice to meet you.
Background, yeah, thank you. Thanks so much. So we're here today to talk about international collaboration. So why do you think international collaboration is so important, especially within your particular field of research?
Yes, so several weeks ago, I attend this event, the workshop. I do this further reinforce my understanding. It's very important if you do research, especially in my area. You want not only you need more wide collaboration. So I work on the future communication networks. They are inherently global. So the international collaboration enable us to combine not only the complementary expertise, but most important, we can look in something can generate high impact scientifically and industrially. So this is only can be achieved through a collaboration across borders. And also in my case, in this project, I try to integrating optical fronthaul networks to the Open RAN ecosystem. This require synergy between wireless and optical communications and academy and also industry partners. So it's a impossible work without collaboration with international partners.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that makes sense. So a really worthwhile event by the sounds of it. And during the event, what kind of what kind of conversations were you having and what particularly stood out for you?
I do have some very interesting discussion. We meet a researcher and industry partners across Europe and Asia. So we find that there is a shared commitment. We are at the right time to build the next generation network infrastructure. So this is not like the before. We have been incrementally to make the system better. Now we need to thinking dramatically because currently we face the challenging from the large language models and all these new things. They require new infrastructure. So it's very good we share this the common vision, and we are looking to find a solution from different perspective. So, and this is also fun. We find that make me think that really we need this kind of event to collaborate and also especially cross our own own area.
Yeah, fantastic. So what opportunities or challenges came up during the discussions? And I mean, especially anything that you think you may not have encountered locally or specific to UK?
Yes, I do notice a very important opportunity that to integrate the sensing technology, and the sensing can come from the wireless domain with wireless sensing. That's the hot topic, and also come from the current network infrastructure. We talk about a network sensing or using the deploy fibers. So this kind of a sensing technology can be integrated. And with this integration, they can provide more things for manage the network, and also we can provide a general sensing capability or service to the different users and applications. So we can take more advantage from the current infrastructure. And also this kind of data fusion or multi-source of data can help to detect something we cannot see from only one domain. So this is also one big opportunity for this cross-domain collaboration. And also they're going to be very useful to looking to our environment and to monitor and sensing with different technology.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. And how might international collaboration influence your research in the future, do you think?
Yeah, I'm from a group. We come from different background. We come mostly the international researcher. So it's essential in our group. We bring different kind of perspectives, but we have one. We define the to solve one problem with different perspective, different background. This can create more dynamic for you to think to handle the challenge and find the ultimate solution. And in HASC projects, also this is also we come from totally different backgrounds. We are focused on our research focus are also different, and our interests also quite different. So with this the HASC project, we can unify and together, and we can learn from each other. We can understand a much large ecosystem now we are handling, because we're not looking to more one specific answer, but we're looking to a not say universal, but we do looking from end to end, optical, wireless, and all that kind of technology combined together, and to solve our future challenge. I believe this is the only way. Only you can have a more wider context, so you can solve the big challenge.
Mm-hmm.
So to that, I think the international collaboration really make this more effective, and we understand more about the challenge, and we can find solution from different perspective.
And it's that diversity of perspective, of course, that kind of feeds into that. So yeah, excellent.
Yes.
So where do you see the most potential for future international partnerships? And maybe you can explain why.
Yeah, from my own research, I'm very interested looking to partner to really to bring the AI for network controlling and management, and in combining with the new component hardware. So in the HASC, my research is a part of this. It's a part of this idea. So we see there the big challenge from AI large language models, but we also see they can help we manage the network more efficiently. So we can rely less on expertise and using full automation or more intelligent infrastructure. So I believe this is also quite very hot area, different country looking to different way, but generally this way can make a network can serve better. And yeah.
So it's both a challenge and an opportunity, essentially, with AI.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. And finally, if someone was unsure about the value of attending an event like this, what would you say to them?
Yeah, I do attend different kind of events. I attend the academic conference. I attend this kind of more specific type with a specific target event. But I find this event we know clear what we want. So this and one benefit really this kind of event, they really accelerate your thinking because you are facing many new information, but you all share the similar, the challenge. So they can intrigue your thinking and with a more broad view of this field or this challenge, and you can find something really the solution maybe not able to find in your area, but if you're looking globally or looking to more broader, you may find an easy solution can combine several expertise. So I see that it's intrigue the new ideas and push you to think. That is very the one benefit of this kind of event.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, thank you very much. That's all been incredibly interesting and some great advice there as well. Thank you very much for your time and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.